Welcome back to the TunesKit channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to fix your Apple ID is grayed out and walk you through 6 effective methods to fix it, step by step. Part 1. Why is Apple ID grayed out on iPhone? This issue is more common than you think, and most of the time, it comes down to one of these reasons. So fix 1. Check Apple's system status. Sometimes, the issue isn't your fault at all. Head to Apple's system status page. Look for Apple ID. If it's not green, it means Apple's servers are down. Just wait it out and try again later. Fix 2. Make sure you're connected to the internet. A stable internet connection is required to access your Apple ID. Ensure Wi-Fi is turned on and functioning properly. Fix 4. Disable screen time restrictions. Go to the Settings, Screen Time, Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then, tap Account Changes and set it to Allow. Once it's off, go back to your Apple ID. You should be able to access it now. Fix 5. Use TunesKit iPhone Unlocker to remove Apple ID. If you can't remember your Apple ID password, you can try using TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. This multifunctional iOS unlocking tool can help users remove Apple ID or unlock unavailable iPhones without password. Step 1. Connect iPhone to the computer. Choose the Unlock Apple ID and click Start. It will detect your device model. Step 2. Make sure the screen lock is set and turn on iPhone two-factor authentication. Step 3. Check your device information, click Download after confirming it is correct, and then the firmware package will start to download. After the download is completed, the system will automatically parse the firmware package. Step 4. Start to unlock your iPhone. Please note that after starting to unlock, all your original data will be erased, so it is best to have a backup. After a few minutes, the Apple ID on your iPhone will be removed. Then you can log in with your new Apple ID. If the above methods are helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe.